In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your plan in Google Workspace. Whether you're looking to upgrade for additional features or adjust your plan to better fit your business needs, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Workspace in your web browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to finding and clicking the admin console. This is a centralized place where you can manage various administrative tasks within your workspace, including billing and subscriptions. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email. Be sure to have your credentials handy as you'll be prompted to sign in. After entering your email, click Next or Sign In. This step ensures that you have the correct administrative permissions to change the plan. Now that you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the Google Apps menu. You'll need to click on this. It looks like a grid of small squares and is a gateway to all your Google apps, allowing you to navigate seamlessly to different parts of your account. Within this menu, you'll find an icon labeled Admin. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can see various administrative options and tasks. Once you're in the dashboard, it's time to focus on the financial aspect of your workspace by clicking on Billing. This will open up the Billing section where you manage your payment information and subscriptions related to your Google Workspace services. You'll see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in is subscriptions, so go ahead and click on that next. Within subscriptions, you'll find a button to add or upgrade a subscription. Clicking on this button is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a list of available plans suited for different business needs and sizes. Now you can browse through and choose the plan you wish to change to. Each plan comes with its own set of features and pricing structure, so take a moment to review your options carefully before making a decision. This is your opportunity to align Google Workspace's resources with your team's requirements, ensuring that you have access to the necessary tools for success. Once you've made your selection, follow any additional prompts to finalize your choice. It's always a good idea to double check your payment details and any potential changes in billing frequency or terms. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Google Workspace plan. If you have any questions or encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact Google support for additional help. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.